Okay, right now you are looking at my face, but it's my face without makeup. And that's important because today we are going to evaluate the FaceApp. And while we look at the FaceApp features, it will be changing my features. And at the end, we're also going to compare what the FaceApp can do to what a small amount of makeup can do, also an unnatural intervention, and what the continuity camera can do, which is one of my favorite new ways to, spruce it up, pull it up a notch, have some fun with video calls. Okay, here we go. While this may be a pop-up security privacy message, it really is telling me what's to come, which is face transformation. I'm ready. I agree. Okay, so we're going to enable access to all photos, continue, allow access to all photos. Okay, and now I'm going to select pictures to transform. Okay, this is me right now. We are now going to transform me with presets or defaults. So I'm going to click the preset button, and wow, there's so many options. I'm just going to go with this one. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, how fun is this? Wow. Okay, so this is my face on the continuity camera. It's actually maybe too sharp that I'm just going to have to sit back a little bit. But wildly better, sharper than no continuity camera, but much worse than my Hollywood version on the face camera. Okay, we are going to end with a little bit of makeup. Still the desktop view, no continuity camera, and some bad news. So I'd like to end this by saying that toss out your FaceApp. Looks don't matter, but in reality, that's not correct. So in the economics world, there's something called the beauty premium or lookism, by which pretty people get a leg up, or should I say face up. And it's not just in one domain. So this has been shown really across domains. People get a leg up, face up when we're thinking about wages, we're thinking about recruiting and hiring, in the education world with grades. Some of this can be explained by confidence. So it could be that if you're maybe looks advantaged, you go out into the world and people respond to you kindly, and then you increase your confidence. And this could be really helpful in, some jobs, such as jobs specifically where there's interpersonal relationships, that you have increased confidence. And of course, we know the kind of that cycle that if you have maybe higher confidence, that people will respond to you better. And so there is a level of confidence determining some of these outcomes, but not all. And so it does mean that we're quite biased here, and it's a sad fact. But it means that I'm not yet going to say toss out that FaceApp, because if you don't feel as looks advantaged, this actually could be an interesting way to equalize the playing field. Now, I'm not suggesting that everyone go out there and fake your picture, but before we are totally critical of this app that does seem to kind of unnaturally enhance our features in ways that, for me personally made me feel less good about my original picture, but that it actually could equalize some of the playing field for folks out there, given that currently we are still living in this biased looks premium world. So on that note, see you soon.